that's what I heard one of them say.
Sorry.
I think that's what I heard one of them say.
Let's continue.
Southeast, please. Nebraska, Buffalo, Dawson, Franklin.
So is this power lines or something?
Yeah, there's a tornado in there, and it's blowing power transformers.
Ja, weer confusing.
Yeah, there's one.
That same look, that collar cloud look that's all turbulent, that I see that every time over a big tornado. And there's the report on the radio. Keep watching that. I know it's low contrast, but it's it'll be probably marked by power flashes since it's on the north side of Kearney or west side.
You're fine.
See it?
Yeah, I can see it.
The big tornado.
Really?
Yeah, that big ball sticking out. That's like, there's a big tornado in there. That's a big tornado.
4 or 5?
We can't rate it, but it's large in size. Oh man, that's big.
So you mean that ball tornado?
That's the right edge of a half-mile, 3/4 mile wide tornado. Power flash on the front edge of the tornado. Well, it's low contrast, but you're seeing a big tornado.
There's multiple markers over 100 here.
Sturen dat film tegelijkertijd. Zie je steeds die flitsen?
You see the left edge? Yeah.
Wat zeg je? De lichten zie je steeds.
Ja, nee, maar je ziet ook de rand.
Waarvan? Van de tornado?
Ja.
Naar beneden daar, ja.
Nothing rotating, guys. Thing hanging down.
Bill, that's a big tornado.
On this side of the RFD,
North of the RFD, there's still a big tornado on the ground.
copy. There's a rising pulse moving it up very nicely.
It's large.
Okay, keep 1 mile, go north, Route 10. Hustle.
Copy. North on 10.
Copy, we're there. KG6SWX.
Wow. It's still there. It's big. North on 10.
Right, north on 10. Which we can see again.
Trees.
Kilo, plan is to blast east on 80 a bit. Try to get in position where we can see with some contrast. WX. Yep. Just a reminder, and if it's safe, we've got that highway
Oh my
30.
gosh.
That is
We've got more options to
It's still
stop,
going.
duck north or
Long
south.
track, big one.
Copy. We gotta go east first and then north. Copy that.
It's such a big tornado, I'm rolling with the trees anyway. Feels like an eclipse. Crossing the Platte River. Wow.
Man, look at that thing. Whoa! I thought of that. Remember that the next time you bring the chainsaw.
Okay, Keith, and jump on 80 east or wait for us, please.
I'm gonna stop and wait for you.
Copy. Go ahead and climb up onto the on-ramp and pass you on the interstate. Continued to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Okay with you if I stay in the rocking chair here? Fine. Tornado warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for northeastern Phelps, northwestern Kearney, southeastern Dauphin, and Buffalo counties. Storm capable of producing golf ball size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Smithfield, or 12 miles south of Lexington, moving east at 49 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Loomis by 5:35 p.m., Overton by 5:40 p.m. This includes interest. I'm really wrapped up on radar. It's unbelievable. Located 7 miles southwest of Overton, or 10 miles southeast of Lexington, moving east at 51 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Elm Creek by 5:50 p.m. This includes interstate 80 between mile markers 230 and 259.
What was it?
If at all possible, due to the damaging parts of Townsend, any unnecessary travel is strongly discouraged this evening.
Okay. They just confirmed damage in Kearney from the power flashes, that tornado that you saw. It did damage in the town of Kearney City.
Okay.
So they've already got somebody in there to confirm that.
Emergency managers are watching up to the minute, so they're aware that there's damage, and they asked the Weather Service to send out that message.